Welcome to this video on the basics of flat patterns in the Elliott wave principle. If you're exploring Elliott wave analysis, understanding flats is essential for decoding market corrections. Flat patterns are one of the core corrective structures, and today we'll break down what they are and how they work. So what is a flat? A flat is a corrective pattern with a 3-3-5 wave structure, labeled ABC. Wave A has 3 subwaves and moves against the larger trend. Wave B also has 3 subwaves and retraces a good portion of Wave A, often confusing traders by looking like the trend is resuming. Wave C has 5 subwaves and typically moves in the same direction as Wave A, completing the correction. Think of flats as sideways or slightly sloping patterns that take time to unfold. There are 3 main types of flats: regular, expanded, and running. In a regular flat, Wave B retraces close to the start of Wave A, and Wave C ends near or slightly beyond the end of Wave A. An expanded flat is more dramatic. Wave B goes beyond the start of Wave A, and Wave C extends well beyond the end of Wave A, making it trickier to spot. In a running flat, Wave B retraces deeply, but Wave C falls short of Wave A's end, and the pattern often signals a strong trend ahead. How do you identify flats? Look for that 3-3-5 wave structure. Wave A might look like a simple pullback, but when Wave B retraces significantly, sometimes 90% or more of Wave A, it's a clue you're in a flat. Wave C then completes the pattern with a 5-wave move. Flats often appear in Wave 2 or 4 of an impulse or as part of a larger correction, like Wave B in a zigzag. Why are flats important? They reveal market indecision. Flats often form when the market is consolidating, setting up for the next big move. Misreading a flat as a trend change can lead to bad trades, so recognizing them helps you stay patient and time your entries better. To wrap up, flat patterns are corrective structures with a 3-3-5 ABC formation. They come in regular, expanded, and running varieties, each with unique characteristics. Spotting them takes practice, but it's a game changer for your Elliott wave analysis. Thanks for watching. Keep analyzing those charts, and happy trading.